Yeah, hi guys. Today I am playing Abby, but you're a bird. Oh, I'm a chicken. I'm a bird. Okay. Where are you? Where? You there? Hey, I'm here. Cheat the one, go. Let's go. Bro, just catch up, dude. Right here. Okay. Ah, no. Okay. Jump. And then go here, then do this, go here, and just, yeah. Let's go here, bro. Actually, no. Oh my gosh. I'm okay. Okay. Let me just. How to do that? Oh, yep. Thank you. Let's go. Where do we go? Here. Where do we go? Here. And then, no. Jump here. And then, okay. Get over here. Yeah, no. Yes. Let's go here. No. Where are you? No. Okay, I'm going there. I'm right here. Where are you? Dude, why did you have to die? Come on, you can do this. Come on! Quickly, because it's already been 2 minutes and it's gonna be three. No, I don't like this video anymore. Quack, quack, quack. Oh, special items. I'm right here, bro. Come on, do this. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Don't, guys. Oh, come on. It's so easy. Are you the green? Let's go. Oh, go. Don't jump in too early. Go. Get over here. Down. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh my god. Let me just go to the first checkpoint. Uh, wait, no. Wait. Tell me. Where are you? Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, wait. My little brother is just gonna play. Oh my. Lagging? Feels like I am. Hello? Oh, I'm not. Anyways, guys, my little brother is gonna be playing right now. Don't, don't be on. Bro, zoom out. Stupid. That's why you can't do it. Oh my gosh. You know you can just shift lock, right? Tapos, saan? Go here. Saan? Where's that game?
Oh, in that game, I see.
Where are you?
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh. No. Do it again. No, demons and deliver. Oh my gosh, bro. Never forget to put on. Come on, bro. Running from a demon. No, Dex. No. Bro, just chill. Yeah, guys. It turns out that I have played these games before. Oh, I said the line. But yeah, seriously, I have played these games before. Saan ka na? Diba wala ka na? Wala ka na, diba? Wala ka na, diba? Wala ka na, diba? Wala na! For me, this is the most stressful part because I had to do it in like 50,000 days. Ito na ako, saan ka na? I'm at the second checkpoint. I'm right here, bro. Saan pupunta dito? Follow me, follow me. Wait. Oh my gosh. Okay. Follow me. Oh. Go here. Oh my gosh, why isn't my phone working, dude? Yeah, just go there. I'm at TP. The second checkpoint, dude. Oh my gosh, why isn't it working? Saan ba? Saan mo? I TP'd myself to the second checkpoint. Go there. You can rumble your demons until you are exhausted. One day you will have to stop and find out what they want. Tapos? Where are you? There. Go through that. Go. And then go there. Yeah. Tapos? I'm right here, bro. Go here. Yo, go here. There's no checkpoint here first. Go here. Go inside. And then follow me. Stupid. Go here. And do you see this? You gotta jump. Then boom. Here's the second one. The second checkpoint. It's too easy, right? Yeah, I thought so. Run all demons until you are exhausted. I'm right here, bro. You can run from your demons until you are exhausted. One day you will have to stop and find out. Go here. Don't die. Bro, they don't cause damage. They you. They kill you. Oh my god. Let me just I wanna be other color. Yes, I love blue logo, bro. Quickly, dude. Uh-oh. It's okay if you fall. There's a ladder here. You're gonna roll your demon. Not there. Right here. You gotta stop. Go here. Do the obviously easy parkour here. And...
Nahulog ako din.
oh my god. You gotta run from your demons until you are exhausted. One day you'll have to stop and find out what they want. Then you run from your demons until you are exhausted. You go running from those angels. Yo, isn't this the logo of the game? Abby, but you're a bird.
Blue ako ha.
Yeah, I know. I see you. Don't die, bro. Bro, you died?
Oh, yay!
No! I fell off! Wait! Wait! I'm right here, bro. Okay. Come on, don't die. Don't die. Okay. Do this obviously PE. You can just simply jump around it. Anyways, go here. Go here. Avoid the spikes. Avoid the spikes. No!
Dek, kali ko din. Sorry po din.
Oh my god! What do I gotta do everything with you, dude? I mean, sometimes I... How do you die, dude? How did you die? Anyways, guys, I don't know what time it is, but it's currently 12 minutes. Oh no! 12 minutes since I've did this video.
Saan ka na?
My storage is getting a little bit too full, so it's only 15 minutes. 14 minutes max, but let's see if I can do 14 minutes and 49 seconds. Bro, quickly, dude! How do you always die?
Nahulog ka din?
Yup.
No.
I didn't think you were the bluebird.
Lagi ako lang.
Oh, you wanna leave? You just no! I didn't think you can. You died.
No.
AJ.
No. Wait lang.
Guys, please support my channel. This is my. Oh! No!
Nahulog ka ba?
Huh? Anyways, guys, I can't edit this, so you're gonna have to watch the full playthrough. Oh no, my god, dude. Okay, it's been 14 minutes, guys. I'm sorry, but this has to be the end of the video. Bye, guys. Go, say bye.
Bye!
Anyways, please subscribe.